I'm Steve Furber. I'm chair of the advisory group to the Royal Society study of computing in schools. The outcome of this study is contained in this report. I'm sat here next to the BBC Micro, which I had a hand in delivering into UK education in the early 1980s, and which was responsible, along with similar products at the time, for motivating and training a generation of people that now form the backbone of the UK IT industry. And in this report we are eager to see that the platform established by the BBC Micro is continued through to subsequent generations. The Royal Society decided to undertake this study because it detected a wide consensus among stakeholders that there were problems with the way ICT was being delivered in schools in the UK. And in particular, in the motivation it was offering pupils to continue with ICT. The evidence for this were dramatic declines in the number of pupils taking ICT and computing at GCSE and A-level and applying for university positions. The analysis that was undertaken concluded that part of the problem was the fact that aggregating several different topics under the heading of ICT was a source of confusion, and so our primary recommendation is that we should restructure ICT and make it clear that there are three major components, which are digital literacy, the basic ability to use computers safely, computer science, which is the study of how computers work or what's inside the box, and information technology, which is how computers are used to solve important problems in business and industry. And we recommend that those headings be used in the school curriculum. Clearly, one of the issues with ICT is the small proportion of teachers responsible for delivering the ICT curriculum who have qualifications in the subject area. The government statistics show that only 1 in 3 ICT teachers has qualifications in the subject, which is much lower than the 3/4 that are typical in other subject areas. So it's key to delivering the first recommendation that we also consider the supply and training of specialist teachers and put a lot more resource into ensuring that the teachers are appropriately prepared to deliver this new curriculum, which many of them will find exceedingly challenging. What we think is vital as an outcome of these changes is that we have a generation of pupils who leave school understanding how to be not only consumers of technology but also creators of new technology. We're delighted that earlier this week the Secretary of State for Education announced that the government is making changes in the teaching of computing in schools and recognises the same problems that we highlight in the report, and we're looking forward to encouraging the government to look at our recommendations and implement them as part of the solution to this problem. We're particularly keen that the government recognises the importance of recruiting and training the specialist teachers that are vital to the success of these set of proposals.